Hi, I'm Veronica Ridge, Redken artist. I'm going to accessorize my new summer cut with a side braid. I'm going to use Beach Envy Wave Aid to accentuate my natural texture. And if I still need a few more curls, I have the option to do so afterwards with a curling iron. Now I'm going to start the braid. At the end of the braid, I secured it with a pin. I'm finishing up with windblown to add an extra airy, beachy vibe. Then I'm going to accentuate and pump up a few curls just to really make sure I have that beachy texture. I'm loving this style for my new short summer cut.